I'm Mathew Heath, Logistics Manager at Robinson's Brewery, one of the biggest independent family-owned breweries in the UK. It's vital that we get a swift turnaround of vehicles from John Delany's because it keeps the product flowing and keeps the tech service team on the road and making sure that we're not letting anybody down. It's very quick and easy to get a vehicle booked in. Sometimes I do it, sometimes the driver can phone up and get an answer straight away, and then they can drop it off into them and the vehicle's booked in and sorted out. We can trust the advice that they give us on the work that needs doing, and they're not going to carry out anything that isn't required on the vehicle. We get regular service and MOT reminders from John Delany's, which is helpful in making sure that the fleet of vehicles, the size that we have, is kept on the road. I would certainly recommend Delany's to local businesses. The trust that we have in their ability to fix vehicles, get them on the road promptly, and to resolve any issues that we have with vehicles is second to none.